Hello guys, welcome back to the live update of the Cardano once again on the ABS Tech channel guys. So first of all, please right now click the subscribe button for more videos, for more updates and news about cryptocurrencies market. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Cardano ADA. What's the latest price, what's the latest price changes occur in the Cardano. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now for more updates videos. And the current live price of the Cardano in the market is 2.85 USD dollar. That is the current live price of the Cardano. And furthermore guys, if you talk about the changes over in the Cardano, so you can see here guys that only the latest situation of the Cardano is going wrong. That is the latest update, I mean live update of the Cardano you're watching now. So at this time guys, live the Cardano price falls down. That's why the changes of the Cardano is negative 0.62% negative. I hope guys that this falls will continue for a short time, but we can't see about the future. Maybe this falls continue for a long time. Let's see the price chart of the Cardano. Oh my god, I think now it is a huge falls guys. Be alert and stay away. Be alert from cryptocurrencies market. You can see this time the price jump, but now at this time possibilities guys, I'm not sure about that possibilities that the price pumps more in the future, but I not recommend for you to please sell now. No, don't sell, hold, but just hold for 1 day. If 1 day continue this fall, so for short-term investor my advice is that to sell your Cardano. Only for short-term investor, and for long-term investor I recommend that please hold to the last of 2021. Anyways guys, what you think about Cardano future? What is your prediction? Please also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.